Fire destroys a section of Edna Manley College.
Arts Workfly.
Hello, my name is Paul Wilson, President of the Edna Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts Alumni Association. On September 17, 2021, the whole Edna Manley family was shaken as images emerged of the School of Visual Arts painting studios engulfed in flames. We have since learned that the fire destroyed all contents of the building, though not the building itself, and we give God thanks no lives were lost in this tragedy. We have, however, realized that quite a number of our painting students have been adversely affected by this unfortunate event, as they have lost valuable school equipment and art supplies critical to the completion of their studies. It is a hard thing, in the midst of a pandemic, when desperation and fear lingers in the air, and every day is met with great uncertainty, to find your studies, the pursuit of your ambitions, further halted by tragic events beyond your control. It is on that note that we, the members of the Edna Manley College Alumni Association, launched this GoFundMe campaign. This campaign aims to raise funds to assist the students affected by this fire, to recover some of their losses and be confident once more in the pursuit of their dreams. You can help us help these students by donating to our campaign. Let us, in a time of great uncertainty, bring back hope to these students. Every small donation goes a far way in helping us achieve this goal.
Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.